Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restore deleted photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to Utilities. Click on it to expand it. Under Utilities, locate and click on Recently Deleted. Then click on View Album, confirm your Face ID. Then you should see all your recently deleted photos. Now to restore all of them or any of them, you can just click on the photo you want to restore, choose recover, and then choose recover. However, if you want to recover all deleted photos, click on select the top right, click on three dots at the bottom right, select recover all, and then select recover X number of photos. So once you hit the recover button, this is going to recover all the photos you have here and then you're good. So that's exactly how to recover or restore deleted photos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.